How to change PayPal primary address on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change your PayPal's primary address on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change the primary address of your PayPal account on your iPhone, now we're going to do this from our browser, not from our app. So just keep that in mind. Just open up your browser and then go to paypal.com because it's much more easier. After you do that, just tap on the login option on the top right and then make sure to sign into your PayPal account. Now once you enter your password and then sign into your PayPal account, it may ask you to turn on two-factor authentication and verify it. So it'll ask you to open in the app as well, but I'm going to skip that. I'm just going to select the option called not now, and then I'll open up in my web browser. Now once you open up PayPal on your web browser, then tap on the three lines from the top left hand side of the screen, and here you'll find the gear icon on the very top right, which is the settings cog icon. As you could see, just tap on it. Once you tap on the settings cog icon, you'll be taken to your settings page. Now it depends upon what address you're trying to change. If you're trying to change your mailing address over here, then you'll be able to find the option called addresses. You can just tap on the edit button over here, and then you can simply enter the new address you want to use and then tap on the update button from the bottom of the screen. Or if you're trying to change your primary email address, then in that case, first of all, you have to add another email address, which means that you just need to add another email address by tapping on the change button or the add new button, and you can simply enter the new email address you want to use. It will ask you to verify it, so just go ahead and tap on the continue button and then add a new email over here. Simply enter the new email that you want to use, tap on the add button. Once you do that, it will ask you to verify the two-factor code as well, and once you've done it, you have successfully changed your email address as well. So that is basically how you can change your primary email address or your mailing address on your iPhone of PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.